Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I transformed this space and decorated it for a valedictory dinner service. I'll be responsible for creating the backdrop, the head table and the photo booth. The time to plan this event is limited. I was given 9 days to make this happen. So in order to reduce the workload, I did a mini pre-setup at home just to ensure that I have everything that I will need on the day of the event. Now I'm sewing some panels for the backdrop. I'll be using 3 or 4 different shades of purple, which includes violet, lavender, lilac, and orchid, along with gold and white. I'll be using this balloon arch for the photo booth. I'm also sewing a large 8 by 9 feet covering for the arch. I added 2 3-feet zipper on either side of the covering so that I can slip it on the arch easily. As you can see, I've placed the covering on the arch and I'm adjusting the zipper so that it can fit properly. Now I'm doing the pre-setup for the head table. I'm trying to coordinate the colors. I'm working out the placement of the floral arrangement, and I'm trying to figure out the center pieces and the other decorations for the table. I'm creating some wooden marquee letters for the event. I'll be making the letters GRAD. This is just a short clip. I'll post a video, a DIY video on marquee letters sometime soon. I'm using some drywall screws to attach the pieces together to form the letters, after which I'll use some white paint to paint it. So when I'm done, I'll be placing some balloons inside of these letters. These letters will be used as a part of the props for the photo shoot. In the future, I will add some lights. I've used the Cricut to create a name sign for the photo booth backdrop. Now I'm weeding out the words. On the day of the event, I'll just use my hot glue gun to attach the words to the backdrop. These are some fun photo booth props that I'm creating for the graduates. They can just hold these in their hands while they are taking their picture. For this piece, I'm using a big clown glasses, and I added the word grad on top of it just to make the photos look fun and interesting. If you have stick around thus far, you're here for the most interesting part of the video, the day of the event. As you can see, the original tables and chairs have been replaced by some long 12-feet table to host 70 persons. As mentioned before, I'll be doing the head table, columns, backdrop, photo booth, and an area for the 360 camera. The team from the venue will organize and set the tables and chairs. Now I'm working on the backdrop. The space for the backdrop is extremely wide. There's a shutter screen behind the backdrop, and I wanted to cover that area. The screen is 17 feet 7 inches wide and 8 feet 8 inches high. I normally use a 10 feet width backdrop, so I had to extend the backdrop frame to cover the width of the shutter screen. Now I'm preparing the head table. Guys, I must say it was extremely windy during the setup. It was a rooftop setting, and as decorators, we have to prepare for all types of weather conditions because the show must go on. As you can see, I have a little man on my team, and he was really assisting us to set the table. Guys, I'm working all areas, assisting my team. Now I'm adding some finishing touches on the photo booth. Now I'm using the hot glue gun to attach the name sign to the other backdrop. Now I'm halfway through the setup. There's still a lot more to do, but my team and I will get it done. Now we are working on the columns. The setup is finished, guys. I'm still walking around, doing some little final touches just to ensure that everything is in place. I placed the props for the graduates on this bistro table. I also added a 2-seater sofa in the photo booth area and also a grass carpet. As you can see, the dinner tables have been fully set and decorated with the color purple and lavender, and also gold napkins. Guys, remember the grad sign I made earlier in the video? I placed the balloons inside of the 3D letters and they came out looking beautiful. If you are interested in renting letters and numbers, you can contact me. My information will be in the description down below. The 360 camera will be used in this area. At the end of the video, you will see a short clip of how they use the grad props with the 360 camera. As you can see, the wind is still blowing and I'm just gonna secure this area of the backdrop. I added 2 large goblets on the table and I filled them with purple or lavender color water to match the color in the backdrop. And then I added some flowers hanging from the goblets. I think that turned out so beautiful and it made the table pop. So guys, this is the final look. We are almost at the end of the video. My team and I did a great job. I would like to say thanks to everyone who assisted in making the venue come together for these graduates. The team from the venue also did a good job. The place is beautifully decorated. I like the color scheme. I like the different tones and shades of purple coming together. And it coordinates well with the gold and the white. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, remember to leave a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I make a new upload.